folks, this is Bob Jakes with Yes Reports. And today's video is entitled, I Believe in America. Today is Election Day, 2020, November 3rd. November 3rd, 2020. It's been a rough year, as all you know, with COVID and everything. And I'm not going to talk about politics, because that's not the intention of this video. This video is intended to be positive. I believe in America. And I know deep down you do too. So we're going to have a little fun here. I'm going to share a story with you. Many years ago, I was a sales broker selling discount merchandise to dollar store and closeout stores. And I dealt with a lot of Indian customers from India. And they were hard workers. They are hard workers. And I kept on saying, why do you work so hard? Why do you work so many hours? And they kept on telling me stories about their country, and they kept on telling me how we should be very happy and that we're fortunate enough to be in America, to have been born in America. Now, all of my YouTube subscribers who are outside of America, Canada, and all the other countries, we love you. We love you. So don't turn this off, because we love you. But this is intended to share with you my feelings for America. Came up with a little poem, and I'm going to share that poem with you at the end of this slide presentation. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. Here we go. I'm going to play this for you. Here we go. See this American flag? How many people have passed away to protect this American flag and to show what it means to them and their family and to us? I am proud to be an American. So no matter what party you're from, Democrat, Independent, Conservative, Liberal, Republican, it doesn't make a difference. We're all Americans, and we live in the land of opportunity. So we should not forget that. We should continue to work together, because when we work together, we can move mountains. No matter what race or color or country we're originally from, it doesn't make a difference. America is a melting pot. It's the land of opportunity. Think about all the folks who moved here from different countries. Why they moved here. They moved here because it was a land of opportunity, no matter what country they came from. America is beautiful. If you haven't had the opportunity to travel in America, you should do so. After this COVID is done, and it will be done, we will get over COVID. We will get over COVID. This is a little movie. Look, Stars and Stripes Forever. Fireworks. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that absolutely amazing? All the people gather under one flag, the American flag. We are all Americans. Working together, we can move mountains. We could do anything. We just can't forget that we can do this. We can get through this. We are going to get through this. We live in a wonderful country. We really, really do. We should be proud that we live in America. Because when America is healthy, we have good hearts. We go out and we help other people across the world. And, thank you, world, they help us. We all live in one world. So I love America and I love the world. We should all work together to help us get through this. One hand helping the other. Cooperate. Help out. Communicate. Again, I'll say it again. Communication is very important. Collaborate. Assist others. Let's get united. Because deep down, we have heart. We have heart. One hand helping another hand, helping each other get to the pinnacle of the mountain. Look how beautiful this country is. We live in a beautiful country. We really, really do. Proud to be American. started writing some notes down. Here's what I wrote down. I believe in America. I'll say it twice. I believe in America. We are a country filled with hope, dreams, and opportunity. We are a country filled with hope, dreams, and opportunity. We will overcome. We will overcome. Share this with your friends. Look how beautiful America is. If you haven't traveled America, please do so. After COVID, travel America. And we will get through this COVID situation. We will get through it. We will all gather again. We will all gather again. We will make things happen. We will make things happen. We will help our neighbors in America and throughout the world like we always have. We will rebuild. We will rebuild. We are Americans. I am so proud to have this platform on YouTube, to be able to share my opinion. Let's keep this positive. Let's share this out with your friends, because we're Americans. We're part of a world community. Let's get ourselves healthy again so we can help our fellow Americans and we can help citizens of the world like we always have. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. Please share this out. Give us a thumbs up for our efforts. We appreciate it. I'm going out with my son in a few minutes to vote. I'm not going to tell you who I'm voting for because that's a personal thing. And this is not about politics. This is about one nation under God. Love you all. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Have a great day.